Hello everybody. I am going to take a big step here and put my face on the camera. It's not something I normally do. I am totally not comfortable putting my own self out to the world. But I did want to take a minute to introduce myself. And my name is Cindy. I am a 66-year-old grandmother, mother, horse rescuer, and then for the last 5 or 6 years, an artist. So I just started my art journey, I think it was in 2017 or 2018, in a very minor way. Just something to do to pass the long winter nights when we had to be inside. As you can imagine, life on the farm gets really busy, and when it's light until 9 o'clock, we're pretty much outside doing stuff until 9 o'clock. So I started my journey, and at the time, I was very fond of saying I could not paint anything, not nothing. I mean, I can draw a little bit, but I cannot paint anything. Um, so I started watching YouTube and learned to paint through watching YouTube. And then I moved on to taking classes. I took some life book classes, which is a year-long class. And then more recently, I did 3 years of fodder school. Well, this year I wanted to focus more on my own art and really developing my own style instead of learning about everybody else's. So that's what I'm doing. And y'all are kind of along for the journey. Junk journaling is absolutely one of my favorite ways of expressing my art, and the reason that I started painting in the first place. I'm going to be reimagining this junk journal. Started this journal last year and then did not ever do anything with it. So I'm going to take you on a flip through. Here is the front, and then this is the back. And then this is the inside, and we will go through a flip through of what it looks like now. So hang on just a second while I turn you around. Okay, as you can see, this is a velvet journal. I got a truckload, literally a truckload, full of velvet scraps in various colors, and so I was determined to use them for all kinds of things. I made the tassels. These are boho beads and a boho tag done on cardboard packaging. So we've got those. Then I've got a Victorian stick pin, a Victorian style stick pin. The book is The Fortune Teller, and this is an old picture of a fortune teller telling the fortune of the ladies. This is a tarot card. And then this is just a photocopy of a bunch of tarot cards. This is another copy of a photo card and some tags. I'm not totally happy with where I am with this journal. So I am going to be redoing it. And let me just show you. I've got some things are in here and they'll stay in here. Like this is a pocket or a tuck spot. I've got book pages. This is another pocket. This will probably stay. This is a hand-painted tag. Then I've got, this is also a pocket. And this is a photo, an old vintage photo put onto my masterboard. I did a masterboard out of tarot cards, and this is what this is from. So this is an old envelope. These are pockets, or tuck spots, I'm sorry, and cards. This is another envelope, and as you can see, I've got some paper in here just to give the background to the peak spot. Flying Pigs was an interesting children's book. This is another this is pockets. So there's one pocket here, and a pocket here. I need to design tags to go in these. This is more book page, more tuck spots here and here. So this is a belly band with another tag. It's another tuck spot. This was a wild painting. I painted a silver set in this design and color. This is going to come out probably. This is a flip pocket that's designed to come out, and it's got this tag, and then there is a pocket here. Flips down. Where is it? Where does it go? There's the opening. So it's open there, it's open there, and then this part flips down. So it's kind of cool, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it in here or not because of the colors. I really want to get deeper colors in some of these things. This is another tuck spot. It can be a pocket. That's probably going to come out. I don't like this at all. This was a prototype of a folded pocket. It's got four pockets in it, which is really cool, but I don't like the colors. So I don't know if I'm going to just repaint it or if I'm just going to redo it entirely because I'm not happy with that. I love putting coloring pages in my journals. So this is just a page out of a coloring book that I cut. More book pages, music pages. This design is a napkin, and this was supposed to be a tuck spot, but I think it glued down. Anyway, so that's just design now. This is a tuck spot here. This is a CD case cover flip out, and I designed this with the flowers, and then you can see it flips out, and it's got more inside. More book pages. And then this was, I was trying to see what it would look like if I collaged onto paper or onto fabric. And honestly, it works sometimes, but I'm not a fan of this particular one. So since I didn't do anything with it, it will probably come out, or maybe I'll make a pocket out of it. I don't know. And then this is another tuck spot here, and just some collage paper. This should actually be, no, it's just collage over here. And that's the end. And then as you can see, this was all quilted on the inside with satin. That was the other part of my truckload of fabric. And this is just a piece of ribbon that I put in because I misjudged the seam, the size that I wanted. And when I decided to make it fold over like this, I went in and sewed this together. So this is actually is two pieces of fabric, and this just covered that seam up really nicely, and I really love this beaded ribbon. So that's that. I am going to be working on this in between some of my winter journal and getting that getting this ready to go into the shop. So I'd like to do better and more designs in here. I'd like to make better tags. So I'm probably going to go in and make some more tags to go in it, as well as decorate some of the things. Maybe I'll leave this in it. I really do like this design. Maybe I'll do another design. I really do like this design, although I don't think the color scheme really goes with the purple. So we'll see. And the same here. All of my collage paper at the time seemed to have been really pinky type of paper. So I'm going to try to make this more purple and dark blue. This was actually a piece of art that I cut up and then put paper on the back so you could make it into a collage piece. All right. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment to let me know what you think I should do with some of these things.